Good morning, viewers. Another day of adventure. St. George. We're in St. George at the moment. We're just about packed up everything apart from the tent. We're going to go for a bit of a ride around town. We would normally walk around town, but this morning we decided we're going to ride around town and take a few photos and post them.
They've got a big town.
Yeah, it's a pretty big town too. And Tint's got a lucky stone. Where is it? She's got a lucky stone. She don't know how it got in her pocket. Obviously somewhere along the trip. Yeah. Anyway, let's hit the road.
Lucky stone.
Lucky stone. Okay, it's 9:30 in the morning, packing up now. Jin's just packing her saddle bag. Mine's already packed, and then we're just going to do the tent. Oh, I've got to pack my socks. Don't think they're dry. But yeah, it was pretty good camping here. Today's plan is to go to Lightning Ridge. So it's only 230k ride, so it's a nice easy one. It'll give us time to have a look around Lightning Ridge today, so that's good. Okay, we'll see you out on the road. Okay, we've arrived at Nindi Gully Pub, one of the oldest pubs in licensed premises in Queensland. Yeah, at first I thought we were a little bit lost. We had to pull up and get the map out, but yeah, we got here eventually. We didn't take any wrong turns, it just it felt wrong. But anyway, we're going to go and have a look around and get some photos. The dining area. Man, look at all the history on the walls. Absolutely amazing. Great pub. Have to keep this for a bucket list to camp here. It's free camping, so that'd be really, really good. They got all rooms out here. Dining rooms, kitchen, everything out here. Nice big beer garden by the looks of it. And Chin's favourites playing here on the 1st of July 2023, Casey Chambers. Yeah, it's a pretty cool pub. Darren, you'd love this. Check out the size of the beer garden. Man, they must have some really good gatherings here. This is wicked. Thirsty? Lemon lime bitters for you. Premium light for Dodger. Huh?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just jump off the bike. If you're gonna fall, you jump off.
How you jump off?
You just jump off like a rabbit.
I not cop.
Or like a
not
gop,
gop.
or like a kangaroo. Just jump off the bike. Tired? Getting there. Okay, we made it to Lightning Ridge. Yeah, I had a bit of a fall, nothing serious. Went to do a U-turn on the soft dirt, and the front wheel dug into some deep sand, and yeah, I just jumped off it. No damage done though. But tonight we're staying in a motel at Lightning Ridge. Plan is today to more or less relax and yeah, just catch up with charging up everything. Nearly everything's dead in regards to battery life. But we'll probably just go to the pub tonight. I think they've got pizzas on tonight. That's all they've got on. Bistro's closed today, but that's not a issue. No issue at all. We'll find food. But yeah, we'll have a bit of a look around town either tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. We'll work it out. Okay, we'll see you all later.